Across the vast landscapes of Asia, a symphony of sweetness unfolds. Emerald green orchards, bathed in the warmth of the tropical sun, shimmer with the promise of a bountiful harvest. These are the guava orchards, where millions upon millions of guavas ripen each year. The air hums with the industry of bees, their gentle buzzing a testament to the delicate dance of life taking place within these verdant groves. Here, amongst the carefully tended trees, generations of farming families dedicate their lives to nurturing this delicious and nutritious fruit. The journey of a billion guavas begins with a single seed. Each tiny seed, though unassuming in appearance, holds within it the promise of life, growth, and abundance. It is remarkable to think that something so small can give rise to a tree that will one day bear hundreds, even thousands, of delicious fruits. The guava seed, with its hard outer shell, is nature's way of protecting the future, ensuring that the next generation of guava trees will thrive. Within the heart of this tiny package lies the blueprint for a towering tree, laden with succulent fruit. The seed contains all the genetic information needed to grow roots that will anchor it deep into the earth, a sturdy trunk that will reach for the sky, and branches that will one day be heavy with sweet, fragrant guavas. The transformation from seed to tree is a slow and patient process, but every stage is a testament to the wonders of nature and the cycle of life. Farmers carefully select seeds from the finest guava varieties, ensuring the continuation of desirable traits like sweetness, size, and resistance to disease. This selection process is both an art and a science, passed down through generations. By choosing only the best fruits for seed collection, farmers help guarantee that future guava trees will produce high-quality fruit, capable of withstanding pests and changing climates. The careful curation of seeds is the first step in a long journey that will eventually fill markets and homes with fresh guavas. These precious seeds find their first home in meticulously prepared seed beds, where they receive the perfect balance of moisture, warmth, and sunlight. The seed beds are often shaded to protect the delicate seeds from harsh sun, and the soil is kept loose and fertile to encourage healthy root development. Farmers monitor the seed beds daily, ensuring that each seed has the best possible chance to germinate and grow. This nurturing environment is crucial, as the earliest days of a guava plant's life are the most vulnerable. Once sprouted, the young saplings are transferred to nurseries, where they gain strength and resilience under the watchful eyes of experienced hands. In the nursery, each sapling is given space to grow, with regular watering and protection from pests. Farmers may gently prune the young plants to encourage strong, healthy growth. Over time, these saplings develop into sturdy young trees, ready to be transplanted into orchards where they will mature and bear fruit for years to come. To further enhance their quality, many farmers opt for grafting, a technique that combines the robust rootstock of a local variety with the superior fruiting characteristics of another. Grafting is a delicate process that requires skill and patience, but the results are worth the effort. The new plant inherits the best qualities of both parent plants, strong roots that can withstand local soil conditions, and branches that will produce abundant, flavorful fruit. Through grafting, farmers not only improve the yield and quality of their guava trees, but also preserve valuable genetic diversity for future generations. Before the young guava saplings can be entrusted to the earth, the land itself must be prepared to receive them. Farmers understand the intimate connection between soil health and the vitality of their crops. Fields are carefully tilled and amended with nutrient-rich compost, ensuring optimal drainage and aeration. Spacing is crucial. Each tree requires ample room to stretch its branches and receive its share of sunlight. Organic fertilizers, derived from natural sources like cow dung and neem cake, are incorporated into the soil, providing essential nutrients without harming the delicate ecosystem. As the guava trees take root and begin their upward climb, a new chapter unfolds in the orchard. Each sapling, once a fragile shoot, now stands taller and stronger, reaching for the sun. The transformation from a tiny seedling to a thriving young tree is a testament to both nature's resilience and the careful attention of those who nurture it. The watchful eyes of the farmers remain ever present, moving quietly among the rows, observing every subtle change. They notice the color of the leaves, the firmness of the stems, and the moisture in the soil. Their daily walks are not just routines but acts of devotion, ensuring that each tree receives exactly what it needs to flourish. Regular pruning shapes the trees, guiding their growth and removing any weak or overcrowded branches. This careful trimming not only encourages a strong structure but also helps the trees focus their energy on producing healthy, abundant fruit. Pruning also ensures optimal sunlight penetration and airflow throughout the canopy. With more light reaching every leaf and better air circulation, the risk of fungal diseases is reduced, and the trees can photosynthesize more efficiently, fueling their growth. These conditions are crucial for healthy fruit development. The guavas begin to form, small and green at first, gradually swelling and ripening as the weeks pass. Each fruit is a promise of the harvest to come, nurtured by the care invested in every stage of growth. Weeds, those unwelcome competitors for nutrients and water, are meticulously removed by hand or with simple tools. This constant vigilance ensures that the guava trees have full access to the resources they need, preventing stunted growth and poor yields. Pests and diseases pose a constant threat, lurking in the shadows and waiting for an opportunity to strike. Farmers must be alert, regularly inspecting leaves and branches for any signs of trouble, chewed edges, discolored spots, or clusters of insects. To protect their orchards, farmers rely on a combination of traditional knowledge passed down through generations and modern organic techniques. They blend age-old wisdom with new discoveries, always seeking the safest and most effective ways to keep their trees healthy. Neem oil, a natural insecticide derived from the seeds of the neem tree, is a favorite remedy. Its gentle yet powerful properties help deter harmful insects without harming beneficial ones, making it an essential tool in organic farming. Alongside neem oil, biopesticides derived from beneficial microorganisms are applied. These natural solutions target specific pests and diseases, reducing the need for harsh chemicals and supporting the orchard's long-term health. All these efforts help maintain the delicate balance of the ecosystem. A healthy guava orchard is alive with activity. Bees pollinate the blossoms, birds hunt for insects, and the trees themselves thrive in harmony with their surroundings. Through careful tending, the farmers ensure that their guava trees not only survive but truly flourish. The arrival of spring heralds a magical transformation in the guava orchards. As the days grow warmer and the air fills with the promise of new beginnings, the guava trees awaken from their winter slumber. Tender green shoots emerge, and the landscape is painted with fresh hues of life. This season marks the start of a vital process that will determine the orchard's bounty for the year ahead. Soon, the trees erupt in a profusion of delicate white blossoms, each flower a tiny marvel of nature. Their sweet, intoxicating fragrance drifts on the gentle breeze, attracting a host of visitors. The orchard, once quiet, is now alive with color and scent, signaling to all that the time for pollination has arrived. These blossoms are not just beautiful, they are the very foundation of the fruit to come. This is a time of intense activity, as nature's pollinators take center stage. Among them, bees are the most industrious and essential. Their arrival is eagerly anticipated by farmers, for without these tiny workers, the cycle of fruit production would be incomplete. The orchard becomes a bustling hub, with bees darting purposefully from flower to flower, ensuring that each blossom has the chance to bear fruit. Bees, those tireless workers, buzz from flower to flower, their furry bodies dusted with golden pollen. As they collect nectar to take back to their hives, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one blossom to another, a process known as cross-pollination. This simple act is crucial, as it allows the flowers to develop into healthy, robust guavas. Without bees, many of these blossoms would wither away, never fulfilling their potential. Farmers, recognizing the crucial role these insects play in fruit production, often install beehives within their orchards. By introducing managed bee colonies, they can significantly increase the rate of pollination, leading to larger and more abundant harvests. The partnership between farmer and bee is a delicate balance, built on mutual benefit and respect for nature's rhythms. The gentle hum of bees becomes a reassuring soundtrack to the symphony of life unfolding within the orchard. It is a sound that speaks of hope, renewal, and the intricate web of connections that sustains the natural world. In every buzzing bee and every blooming flower, we are reminded of the vital role these pollinators play, not just in guava orchards but in the health of our entire ecosystem. As the petals fall and the delicate dance of pollination concludes, a new miracle begins. Tiny green orbs emerge from the base of the flowers, gradually swelling and maturing under the watchful gaze of the sun. Within these developing fruits, a symphony of flavors and aromas is slowly being orchestrated. Across Asia, a dazzling array of guava varieties thrives, each with its unique characteristics. From the pear-shaped Thai guavas with their crisp white flesh to the round, pink-fleshed guavas of India, each bite offers a unique taste of the tropics. The arrival of the harvest moon signals the culmination of months of dedicated labor. The once tiny green orbs have transformed into plump, fragrant guavas, their skin blushing with shades of green, yellow, and pink. Farmers, their faces etched with the wisdom of generations past, carefully assess the ripeness of the fruit. Harvesting is a labor of love, done entirely by hand to avoid bruising the delicate guavas. Each fruit is gently plucked from its branch and carefully placed in baskets lined with soft cloth. Once harvested, the guavas begin their journey from the orchard to the tables of eager consumers. Skilled hands sort the fruits according to size, ripeness, and quality. The finest specimens are destined for export, finding their way to supermarkets and fruit stalls in distant lands. Others will be sold in local markets where their vibrant colors and intoxicating aroma fill the air. No matter their destination, each guava carries within it the story of the land, the dedication of the farmers, and the delicate dance of nature that brought it to fruition.